All right, so what we're gonna do right now is we're actually gonna be going through the tire claim for this. So this car went out on the 27th, came back this morning at 9 a.m. As you can see back there, car got pulled around back, tire's completely flat. So what we do is we go to help, get help, report damage. Even if it's small, you'll see that there's all this huge disclaimer. It must be reported within 24 hours that the damage is taken. We already have check-in and check-out photos. You need both of those. Click get started, heads up, blah, 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 green continue. If you lie to them, they're gonna charge you $2,000. Physical damage, this is important. It's slightly different to file a tire claim. They should have its own path for the customer. They currently don't. So you click physical damage, continue. I go to the very bottom, it says something else, and then photos. So you can see right now the before photo at check-in, which was December 27th. I'll put all 4 tire photos on there to show the tire was full PSI. And then the back photos, select from trip photos. We have multiple photos of the tire being completely flat. And then maybe even a screen that says 0 PSI. You want as much documentation as possible. The reps can only work off what you show them. So if you don't have photos showing it wasn't flat and then it is flat now, then they're gonna ask you more questions, you might not get the claim. Click continue, select day and time. When I do this for a tire claim, I always choose the day beforehand. It's just easier, so you make sure you're always, this is less relevant in my opinion, because you don't really know when it happened. You don't have to fill out where it occurred, you don't know. You can click continue. It was on the passenger side wheel, driver's side, passenger side, front wheel. Is the car drivable? No, it was not. It got towed out of here. Please describe. Nail in the front right tire. Car is going to discount tire. Continue. I usually don't give them this information. This is like if it's a bigger claim, if it's a body shop, it's just discount tire. They're never gonna call it discount tire. Any extra information? Oh, this is an important step. I always comment, would like to use Turo Power Host tire benefit. You actually don't want this to be a full claim. You just want this to get to the claims people and they adjust it to a tire benefit. And you select the amount, less than $500, see best option. It's gonna say just to resolve directly with Maria, but because we're doing the Turo Power Host benefit, you do file Turo claim. Resolve, file claim, and you're all good to go. So Turo is going to reach out to us and give us a claim number. Initially, they're gonna act like it's a full-blown claim, and they're gonna follow up and say they recognize it's a tire claim. Please send us the receipt of the new tire.